In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to show you the most important thing that you can do as a new day trader. The most important thing that you can do as a new trader is create a demo account and only trade that one account. Don't go and open up a demo account and then have some wins, have some losses, and then ignore those losses. Close that demo account and then open up a new one. I want you to trade the same demo account over and over and over and over so you can literally scroll through your entire demo account and see your own track record. Have the actual results and the actual statistics of trades that you've actually taken, and then with that amount of data and testing and using the same strategy, you can see concrete evidence that you, in fact, are a profitable trader. Even if your account isn't growing astronomically, like you start with a $100,000 demo account and then you're at $550,000. No, I want you to practice trading the smallest lot size possible, which is a 0.01. I don't want you to focus on the amount of profit that you're making. I want you to focus on number of trades won and number of trades lost. If you can focus on this and actually be consistent and trade the same demo account every single day, systematically, with a strategy, you can have 4, 5, 6 months of data that you can look at and see, okay, this is the amount of trades that I take per week. This is the amount of winning trades. This is the amount of losing trades. Now I have everything that I need to make an informed decision whether I'm good enough to actually put real money into a live account and trade that full time. Now, 90% of you that just heard that are like, nope, I'm out. I need to make money today. When you put your own real money into the market, you're competing with the best in the industry. And I promise you, they've had a demo account open for over a year, prove their consistency, prove their strategy, and are violently dominating the market. This isn't just some side hustle for people. This is life and death for their banks, financial institutions, and hedge funds. Think about it this way. If you decide to put real money into the live markets, it's the same as you stepping foot on a basketball court with the top players in the NBA. Can you dunk on LeBron James? Probably not. But if you have a demo account that shows that you have a 70% win rate with a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, and you've done that consistently over 6 months, that's proof that you can dunk on LeBron James. Now, what I recommend is getting a demo account on the broker that you want to trade with. I personally use GatesFX because I like the spreads. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to open up a demo account. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is go to the first link in the description, click on this start trading button, fill out this registration form to get an account. And yes, they take US citizens. Then once you log in, all you have to do is click on this open demo account, select whether you want MT5 or TradeLocker. For most people, I recommend TradeLocker. It's a way more friendly interface. Click continue, select the account type that you want. For most, I would suggest the raw ENC account 1 to 500 leverage. Now, keep your currency at USD and then set your initial balance close to what you would deposit in your own personal live account. So if you're only going to have $5,000 or $10,000 to trade with, start with that. Click continue, then click continue again to confirm all the information, and it will give you your login details for that platform. Then it'll prompt you right here to download the trading terminal. Now again, this is very, very important. If you are new, I want you to only set every single trade, total amount trade, 0.01 lots. You are trading the smallest lot size so that you can get the reps in. This is your practice phase, and I want you to put off putting in your own money into the live markets for as long as possible. I want you to have a proven track record so that you can come in with confidence and actually dominate the markets when you're ready. I know this tutorial went way longer than 2 minutes, but it's extremely crucial that you understand the importance of a demo account. Me personally, I have one open all the time because I practice on it. It's like my punching bag.